Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream in your garden. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, decide on your garden fresh additions, perhaps some ripe berries or fragrant mint. Finally, prepare your simple equipment: 2 sealable plastic bags, 1 small and 1 larger, along with plenty of ice and rock salt. This easy method brings delicious results. Now let's create the creamy base for your garden ice cream. In the smaller plastic bag, carefully combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Seal the bag and gently shake or stir until the sugar completely dissolves, ensuring a smooth and sweet foundation. Then, incorporate your fresh garden flavors, such as a 1/4 cup of mashed strawberries or finely chopped mint leaves, for a truly unique treat. With your ice cream mixture ready, it's time for the fun part: shaking. First, ensure your cream mixture is securely sealed in the smaller plastic bag. Next, take your larger plastic bag and fill it with approximately 3 cups of ice. Then, add about 1/3 cup of rock salt to the ice in the larger bag. Finally, place the smaller bag containing your ice cream mixture inside the larger bag, making sure both are tightly sealed to prevent leaks. Now for the grand finale. Vigorously shake the combined bags for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll feel the mixture inside the smaller bag begin to harden into delicious ice cream. Once it reaches your desired consistency, carefully remove the small bag, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove any salt, and then scoop out your homemade garden ice cream to enjoy immediately. It's a simple, delightful treat. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.